105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me?
Okay ra ka?
I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? So yeah, how many girls in the world can make me feel like this? Baby, I don't ever plan to find out. The more I look, the more I find the reasons why. You're the love of my life. You know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me?
Tara, manamig kaon. Mula tagaw nami. Idol kayo kauban. Okay ra ka? Okay ra ka? Okay pa. Okay kayo kay nakauban ka.
A few moments later.
So na dire sa like ako. Kuwan si Yani. Yani. Kaya dili. Di ba katuod ko? Ngaman. Aso? Ay, sorry. First time naka ano. So gito ko ni Yani karon sa ilang lugar.
Yes. Ito lugar nang dating.
Yes. Yan, matingog gani na basta nay gwapo mo abot. Nay gwapa. Maligo ka sa kuan abo. Kaligo na.
So kaya unsa lang ang meaning ako magtao. Asa daw nagikan ka ng buko. So wala ka
Wala, nag-boots lang. Saan sa? Sa?
Nakabon ako na.
So diri na pud mi sa Taosovan Falls, Manglagran. Nagyaw-yaw man ka. Uy, nanag niya.
Manghod og height.
Sa pa.
Kani bugnaw dili ah.
This is the thing that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when I stand in front of people, it's a shame. Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. Instead of thinking all the fun.
Tara, na nagpa-picture sa iya ha. Sana all.
Murag bata oy. Ano yan sa nag-height? Ay! Wala, never mind.
So don't you worry, I'll never forget.
Tira. Duhara. No, mga ay yung ginamos. Grabe ka demanding. Thank you. Thank you po.
Lubos-lubos na lang eh.
Ay, init pa.
Won't let nothing come between us. No matter how long or how hard it gets. Oh, don't you know you are the reason that I walk, I breathe out.
Sama niya ako alalay eh. Ano yung takoy?
Ano sa buhok? Ano buhok?
So I won't let your memory come to an end. 'Cause when I said forever, forever's what I meant.
So last mga guys no, gusto niya na mula sa among barangay, dire sa barangay Nuwa. So ako siyang gidala karon dire ah. Mulit pa rin siya sa ilaha mga guys. Ano siya guys? Gusunod. Hi, hi. Mamo din siya mag-drive guys. Oh, di ba? Ayaw.